what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make
a kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope?
What do we need today?
This snapple.
Or you can use any kind of cylinder paper roll. And also we need
glass tape or shiny tape.
This just I got a duct tape. I did it's a paper. I just did 3 lines of duct tape, glass tape, and I'm gonna make a folding like a triangle shape like this. We're gonna do it, and we need like something beads or paper. And what else we need?
Black paper.
Paper. Yeah, construction paper. It's gonna be like this. And then, what is this, Gemma? Clear
paper.
Clear plastic, I think. I'm gonna using like this. Gonna be inside. But you know, I just used this for any. I just cut off this like this one. Any container, I used the clear and black part. Also later we needed some parchment paper or any paper that can go through the lights. Okay. Let's start, guys. Okay, let's make. We need. Let's put in here. Gemma, let's fold and then make a triangle like a cylinder. Yeah.
I can't. From tent. Where am I? Anywhere we can put the tape first, right?
Yeah.
Anywhere.
Yeah, and then you did probably 2 more. Yeah. Good, Jaden. But when you do it, it's easier to fold. Give a little bit room between the tape. Then easy to fold like this way.
I'll hold it for you.
Look at this. It's this inside one a little bit shorter than
The
this
glasses.
container because this gap will be beads and the stuff gonna be get in here. After this, and then we're gonna put glue like this way. I'm gonna using hot glue. You can use a hot glue or just regular glue, but I think to save time, I will use a hot glue. But this is a hot, so
Don't touch.
yeah, and glue on it. And then, yeah.
Like there's more.
The clear part is up, and then let's pour the beads.
Down.
Yeah, down.
Or we can just carry them.
Yeah, down. Yeah, beads and then papers in it. Just this parchment paper. I used, just regular parchment paper. And then you can cut pretty way. I just gonna do this way. Okay. Good. And then now, kind of upside down. One of these dark, what is the paper? Construction paper, Gemma?
Yeah.
This paper I will make a hole
Blue.
in the or any color, but dark color is I think good. Okay, it's gonna tape around this. Tape around. Okay, now we're gonna decorate it. I pre-cut some. And it's gonna be covered around this one, and he's gonna decorate the paper. Yeah, let's decorate the paper before we put on first.
Who's drawing my name? Look at James J. I mean Jaden! Another one. Some stickers. Woohoo! Yeah. Look at that rainbow of stars.
Beautiful.
What out say? A. How's I?
Wow. It's beautiful. Now we're gonna wrap around it. Can you glue here? Get this one. Then, yeah.
Do it.
What did we make today?
A kaleidoscope.
Good. Okay.
Tiny old.